Hey guys, it's Spike here from MC Ranch Overland, falling over my own feet here. I'm out in the woods here with my son and his girlfriend Amy.
Hello.
And we're going to make some smash burgers today, so that's going to be pretty awesome. And right now we're sitting behind the original fire reflector, as you can see. And we've got our coveted LavaBox, and these two are a match made in heaven. We have the awning above us, so we're staying dry. But actually what we're out here for today is we are going to expose the Tembo Tusk Skottle, which is their flagship product. So we're pretty excited about that. I've had mine now for almost a year, and I've used it many times. I'm absolutely in love with it. And the thing that's cool about the Skottle is its simplicity and its efficiency, and you can cook anything you want on it. It's just off the chain. Love it. Anyway, I'm just going to show you where I keep it in my truck here, so you can kind of get an idea the size of it. So here are the legs, and the legs are just in one simple envelope. And here I keep the Skottle. So here's the legs, and they're in a beautiful reinforced vinyl carrying case. Their packaging with these carrying cases is just beautifully done. Now the Skottle, once you put it together, you never need to take it apart again. So this is all assembled except for the legs. And like I said, it just lives flat here underneath this bench, and it's always ready to go. And then the only other thing is, you can run it off isobutane, the small, more camping style mountaineering fuels, or just the propane. And most people use the propane, and people that use it a lot, like Marco from Overland X, he gets almost a week out of this, and you know how much cooking that guy does for everybody. So anyway, so that's it. So just give me a minute, I'll be right back with you, and we're gonna set it up. So here we go, we're gonna set up the Skottle here real quick. It's got a 360-degree zipper here. Like I said, there's a lot of YouTubers that are always taking this apart and putting it back together again. Once you assemble it and put the windscreen on, you never have to do it again. So that's 90% of the work done right there, just taking it out of the bag. And then the legs, they're adjustable, which is super cool. And the thing I love about the adjustability is you can actually just put this thing on a picnic table if you wish. So one leg there, one leg there, and one leg there. So that's great. Get the propane bottle on there. So there's the Skottle all set up right here. You have the piezo lighter. So you just turn it on, click it, and there you go. Done deal. So depending on what height you want to cook at, if you're at a beach with your girlfriend, you can have it between the two chairs, and you can do hors d'oeuvres, you can do popcorn on it. And yeah, so but here today, we're gonna bring the legs up a little bit. One there. There you go, it's all set up. And another neat thing here is you can buy as an accessories these little rare earth magnets that have got hooks on them, and they just stick on here like white on rice, and I absolutely love that. And there's the Skottle. The lid, I love these lids, also has a little hook on it, and you can just put the lid here when you're not using it, and that's it. So that's the Skottle set up. We're gonna do some smash burgers and have some fun here. So we'll catch up with you guys in just a little bit. How's that LavaBox keeping you guys warm?
Oh, it's awesome.
Super cozy.
Yeah,
cozy.
nice, eh?
Yeah.
Giving off a good amount of heat.
Yeah. Well, I'm just going to show everybody the setup here. Here we are on a rainy day. It's actually starting to rain pretty hard, but time for a boiga. I'm getting pretty hungry here, so we're going to start with these smash burgers. So stand by. Okay, guys. So here we are with the Skottle. The cool thing about the Skottle: no pots and pans, one-trick pony. Just absolutely love it. The first thing I do with the Skottle, I saw a YouTube video the other day, and somebody was carrying the Skottle all over this campsite to find a level surface to use it. and it has adjustable legs, and I didn't realize you could put it anywhere and make it sit horizontal. But if it's not horizontal, it's just a little trickier to work. So if you want to just show that there, Alex. So as you can see, guys, these are the legs here where they're welded on, and you can see that this is more or less perfectly in the middle here. So it does say that I could raise this one leg slightly, so, or lower the other two. I'm not sure if this one's fully extended or not. Yeah, this one's fully extended, so what I'm going to do is just bring these ones down just slightly. So guys, I adjusted the legs slightly, and as you see here now, the oil is right in the middle. You can see these 3 points here, and you can see here. So now it's nice and horizontal, and now it's awesome to use. So we're going to light this bad boy up here. And there she goes. And that's it, all lit up. So now we can start cooking. So now that the scottle's getting hot here, and it gets hot very, very quick, I'm turning the oil way down. And then I just like to get a paper towel, and olive oil is your friend with these things. Again, I've seen lots of people use them and they're all rusted and everything. That doesn't have to happen. The more you cook on it, the better it gets. So now it's hot. It's hot here, you can see it's smoking, guys. So this is where the fun starts, you know. It's just so easy. I use a spatula from a flat top, and I find this works the best on here. I really like it a lot. It bends nice. I can get underneath things, etc. So there we got the onions on, and we're doing onion, mushroom, cheddar cheese, tomato, homemade mayonnaise that Carolyn made, and homemade ketchup. And then we have some romaine lettuce and brioche buns. So there you go. So just hang in there, and we'll be eating soon.
There doesn't have mushroom.
So what do you think of the Skottle, Alex?
It's really nice. I like it a lot.
The cool thing about it is it's actually fun, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of engaging, and you know, you just whip the food around and put it out of the way if you need to. So
like
what do you guys think about toasting the buns?
Oh, that'll be delicious.
Yeah, okay, we're going to toast the buns, and yeah, there we go. There's a bit of a close-up on there.
Looking good.
Well, you can see that I'm standing in the rain here, and Alex cooked the onions and the mushrooms, and they look incredible. And we've got the smashed patties here ready to go. So here we go. That's perfect. Those are going to be good. Okay, let's do some flip action here. These ones are just getting warm on the outsides. But when with the Skottle, you can just keep moving things around. It's really easy. It's actually a lot of fun. Tell you what, Amy, you want to try?
I get to try something?
You get to try the
Yeah.
Skottle.
Right. Oh, that one's not quite ready.
Oh
to
yeah,
flip
it
yet.
doesn't get hot around the outside. So these ones eventually will go on the outside. And then we'll move these over to here once they start looking good. Are they coming along?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Then we can move that one in the middle there. It's only a little bit hot.
There we
Once you put them all together, you're going to put the lid on just for a minute maybe,
Yeah.
and then try and get some heat. Maybe move that one over a little
go. Yeah.
bit. Yay.
Kind of overlapping a little bit.
No, that's fine. That's good. Okay, well, what do we got here? Oh my gosh, smash burgers, Canadian cheddar cheese, onions, mushrooms, romaine lettuce, tomato, homemade mayo, homemade ketchup. Should be great. So, Amy, you want to bring the plates up if you don't
Sure.
mind? Let's just. Okay, everybody gets 2 patties, so that'll be good. There's one.
Did we want to top it with the
Yes, we do.
mushrooms?
Yes, almost forgot about those. Well, I think we're going to be the messy burgers, right?
Yep.
Right, like really nice close up.
Mm-hmm.
I think I have a better protocol. I'm going to try this.
There we go.
So, hearing you. Okay. What do you think, Alex? Looks good?
Good, yeah.
Okay, so now that we know what we're doing, we decided to go mushrooms and onions first, and then patties, and then another patty.
Perfect.
Okay, and then I'll just put this, I'll just hold that plate. Let me hang this, and I'll take that plate from there. And I'll just scoop this last little bit in here. There you go. Okay guys, we're almost there. Okay guys, and the last thing, cleaning the skottle is dead easy. Just get it hot, put water in it. You don't need it to go past, again, where the legs are welded on, because that part doesn't get particularly hot. This is where a little bit of stuff sticks, and you're done. Let it boil, and then wipe it clean. Okay guys, so that was the skottle. As you see, I had boiled some water in here and left it, for about 5 minutes. And then all I did was wipe it out with a paper towel. And now I get my olive oil and put it on here. And yeah, we're all good. Thanks for watching.